chairperson of the Sacco, please kindly step forward to receive the motorcycles. Let's clap for the chairperson of the Sacco. Friends, Chairman LOC1, come and have your motorcycle. Chairman LOC1 with a smile. Let's clap for the chairman, please.
When we were in Toroma, there were many complaints about theft of motorcycles. When we were in Ingadiam, there were very many complaints. But here I was listening, they have stolen only one motorcycle. So the crime rate here is very low. And I requested RISO and the RISO to follow up that motorcycle which was stolen, recover it and return to the bodas. There are some areas where a emyooga program has been extremely successful. Many of the beneficiaries have already paid back and they are now concentrating on their personal and individual businesses without again thinking about what they borrowed. But for us here, it seems we are just beginning. The program was misunderstood. How about tomorrow, after election, when government is discussing how to proceed with programs? How about if the government says the other way around? It will mean that we would have lost the opportunity again to stand firm through a emyooga program. I request you bodas to be as united as possible. Do not get divisions amongst yourselves. Because when you divide, if you can disagree because our brains are different. Some people's brains are quicker than others. But that doesn't mean that the one whose brain is quicker is always right. Someone's brain may be slow, but sometimes very efficient and accurate.